In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the open house on the MLS. The first thing that we're going to do is, again, we're going to read these notes on the MLS, on the CRMLS. This is the written step-by-step instructions on how to set it up. And then this is the written instructions on the date and the time. And so let's go to, first of all, to the CRMLS. We'll log in. If this pops up, just click on this link right here, and should bring you to this page. Click on Paragon. I don't know why it does that sometimes. All right, this is the page we want. So now we're gonna hop into Paragon. Here we go. All right. So first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna press listings, and we're gonna go to our listings. Or again, if it's Marion's listing, we're gonna assume identity and assume it as Marion. For this one, let's just go to listings, maintain listings right here, and there we go. We got a listing. So let's see what it's telling us to do. So we've gone to listing, go to maintain listings, add, edit, open house. So let's do that. Click on this, add, edit, open house. So we're going to press add new, and then we're going to pick the date for the open house. And dates are always 1 to 4, at least on average. And then the comments, and then, the day is always going to be, if you need to remind yourself, if you hop in to the property description, we can see that the day of the open house, and it should tell us, okay? This is just an example day. So Saturday, the 17th, 1 to 4. So we just do, okay, Saturday, the 17th, 1 to 4, right? So 7, 17, 19. All right, so we put that in. It wants you to click on the calendar, so you click it. Correctly. So Saturday is actually not the 17th, but this is an example. That's why it's not accurate. But you would actually click on the date, right? And then the comment section, again, you come back here, you just highlight the Zillow, what I love about this home, and you comment. There you go. Refreshments, I would always just say yes. It doesn't hurt. Say yes. And then we'll save that. All right. So now let's hop back into our, let's find it, the setup, the open house. We've gone to the CRMLS. We've added the open house dates. And we've created the property description, number 2. Okay. Done. Now we're done. So we just have to copy and let the agents know that we're done here. So make sure the address is correct, fill in the correct information, and you just at Quinn, I should pop up, at Marion, at Travis, and then boom, comment. Let us know you're done. And that's it here. So that's the end of the video.